Okay, you. Wow, excuse my throat. YouTube, my viewers, I just wanted to record this quick. Ah, crap. Perfect. Got a quick video that I need your input on. Finally discovered how to do that chroma key thing on GTA. However, oh, you won't even be able to see the game. Okay, this is not going to work the way I wanted it to. Maybe I can like transfer it over and have it be in the background. Nope, that is clearly not how this is going to work. So, okay, well, this is how it's going to be then. This is where my current cam is. I hope this didn't just drag on too long. I really could use your opinion on this. Where do you place a face cam? Does this look good? Does it need to be bigger, smaller? What do you, even especially with having a camera, because some people don't think they're needed. But for my viewers personally, where should I position this camera? Now that I actually have a chroma key and can do the whole background thingamabob, I would like your feedback on where this should go, or if you have any advice on where it looks better. Let me know.